And we have our fireplace in the middle. Now remember, you can put a shelf in here if you don't want to put the fireplace. So let's turn it on and see what it looks like. I haven't turned it on yet, so cross your fingers. Hey guys, the good folks over at ELEVARAWOOD sent me over this TV stand. 58 inches long, has an optional fireplace insert. They wanted us to put it together and give y'all our thoughts and opinions about it. So let's get started. I think we have our instruction book here. Nice. Oh, look at that. The backside looked nice, but check that one out. Got the nice design on it. I like that. That is heavy. Whew. It's like there are 26 steps. One of the things I do like so far, big instructions, not tiny writing that's not printed very well. This is printed really well and large. So that's a huge plus. Now, if you're going to put the fireplace in, you're going to leave the shelf out of this one. We'll just put it in that one down there. Now, there's 3 levels you can put the shelf. Notice I put it in the middle one because I really don't know how I want it yet. So I'm just putting them in there temporarily. You can adjust it however you need it. I'm going to go ahead. The next step is putting the fireplace in. I'm going to skip that step and do it last. We're going to go ahead and put the doors on. Okay, now it's time to install the fireplace. We have our own instructions for it. Voila, there it is. Looks like there's going to be 2 down this side and 2 down this side. Should be kind of a no-brainer. All right, what do you think? Got the doors, you have your cabinet space there, cabinet space over here, and we have our fireplace in the middle. Now remember, you can put a shelf in here if you don't want to put the fireplace. So let's turn it on and see what it looks like. I haven't turned it on yet, so cross your fingers. Look at there. That is cool. I like that. Turn the heat on. Oh man, yeah, that is hot. That would warm it up quickly, and we don't need to warm it up. That's for sure. Just in case you're wondering, and it is 58 inches. Almost 16 inches deep. 24.5 inches. Really nice. I like that. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you could order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Not much else to say. Went together pretty easy. Took a little time, but it went together easy. Definitely a thumbs up. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.